Hey guys, welcome back to RedFactory, your one-stop destination to find the craziest stuff on the internet. You would have seen many PC builds and cases that look crazy, but this list is going to go from crazy to bizarre. So, presenting you the 10 crazy PC builds you won't believe exist. So, let's dive straight into the video without wasting any more seconds. Star Trek USS Enterprise. Thank you, Lenovo, for bringing the latest Starship-shaped Tiburn Enterprise Star Trek PC. Aside from the additional cargo module slotted in between the ship's nacelles, it's a pretty decent model of the ship, which comes mounted on a posable stand with a Starfleet Delta-shaped base. The possibility is practical as the computer includes an option built-in projector. The rest of the spec includes a 9th generation Intel Core processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 graphics card, 32GB DDR4 memory, a 1TB solid-state drive, and a 2TB mechanical hard disk. It also has snazzy LED lighting around the saucer and nacelles, and an on switch discreetly placed in the middle of the deflector dish. This isn't the first Starship computer, but it is the most impressive one. Chip. They market this as the world's first $9 computer, but apart from that eye-catching price, we'll see what other specs it has. Really, it's so tiny and easy to use. Chip does all the computer things. Work in LibreOffice and save your documents to Chip's onboard storage. Surf the web and check your email over Wi-Fi. Play games with a Bluetooth controller. With dozens of applications and tools pre-installed, Chip is ready to do computer things the moment you power it on. Chip has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Connect to the internet and attach a keyboard and mouse wirelessly. Chip is designed to work with any screen. Chip is a great way to add a computer to your life and the perfect way to power your computer-based projects. InWin Z-tower. The Z-tower is InWin's latest addition in the signature chassis series, inspired by the aesthetics of architecture and quality materials. Feel the harshness power emit through the strengthened skeletal structure. The Z-tower uses wood casting molds to ensure that each piece is consistent with the prototype. The Z-tower is made from a complicated sand-molded casting process. In the foundry, the craftsmen pour the molten aluminum into the tooling to form the pieces of the initial shape of the Z-tower. The Z-tower is constructed of 5 cm thick aluminum alloy and is polished meticulously with a CNC mill to ensure each Z-tower embodies the exquisiteness of luxury and art. The hollow structure improves heat dissipation, and airflow is effectively channeled to ensure excellent ventilated performance. Lamborghini Case. There will be fewer PC cases that are more attractive than this. This Lamborghini roars, not with those bulky hot engines, but with your PC's cooling fans. But calm down, it is not just PC case, but the whole PC build, and it is totally worth it. It packs a powerful Intel i9 processor, Z390 ARS Extreme Water Force motherboard, which is the benchmark. That motherboard, coupled with ARS RTX 2080 Ti Extreme Water Force GPU, gives you unmatched performance. It has 64GB DDR6 RAM with Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB. It has V850 compact fully modular PCU. For RAM management, you get 3 1TB SSDs. For audio output, it has a Creative Sound Blaster sound card. It is, in literal terms, a beast. Thermaltake Core P90. The cornerstone of your next gaming PC is the Thermaltake Core P90. It supports 3-way placement layouts, extended storage options, and proper architecture for custom liquid cooling demands. Its dual GPU layouts allow users to go vertical with TT Gaming riser cable to extend the reach for proper performance. Secure your components with dual 5mm thick tempered glass to protect and present. It has the Core P90 TG that brings the ultimate in PC hardware viewing wherever you mount or display. Well done, Thermaltake, for doing something different. It has a fully modular design that provides multiple configurations and flexibility for custom PC enthusiasts. It has liquid cooling supported and is compatible with extreme liquid cooling configurations. Vetroo ATX. This unique and amazing case was designed according to the shape of the pangolin, which makes your case different from others. Besides, the holes of the case can provide your case with better flow. The 2 pieces transparent tempered glass side panels can clearly show your internal components, and it is easy to install with screws. The case can support up to 7 pieces 120mm fans and a max 360mm water cooler. It provides your case better airflow and keeps your components cool all the time. It has sufficient internal space and has ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboard support. It can be installed with 2 pieces SSD and 2 pieces HDD drive bays, supporting CPU coolers up to 170mm tall and GPU up to 350mm long. KEDIERS C580. This out-of-the-world looking PC case is pre-installed with 2 RGB Lumious light boards. The unique open design can keep the GPU temperature continuously low, making your computer work more smoothly. This gaming case is equipped with 2 4mm thick tempered glass, from which one can clearly see the RGB lighting and the components in the building. It just creates the perfect ambiance for your setup. This tower case light board can be controlled by computer software or the included remote control. It comes with 2 USB 3 ports, 1 USB 2 port, 1 HD audio, and a power button. The case has space for 1 HDD and 2 SSDs. It also has a removable storage cable box and a reasonable back routing hole designed for cable management. Cyborg Helmet. As we enter the top 3, it is getting absolutely haywire. The lights, the design, the power, everything is going to go wild from here on. This alien thing was a project used in the 2019 Thermaltake Case mod contest. You can clearly see that it is inspired by the Cyborg. The Cyborg's head is imitated to build a crazy case with the help of 3D printers. Look at this thing go and illuminate all the specs and hardware with those perfectly lit LEDs. You can also customize those lights, by the way. It has all the top-of-the-line specs, and you can even customize it by picking the components according to your needs to build the PC of your dreams. FSP T-Wings. The T-Wings chassis is a fusion of technology that blends in a symmetrical design with gold and red. The dual chassis offers enthusiast PC builders the potential to build a work of art that can be beautifully displayed in 360 views. The anodized open airframe will keep your systems cool while maintaining a stylish look. It supports additional 120mm fans with the capacity to accommodate 2 360mm radiators, ensuring top-notch cooling performance. The T-Wings features a custom center cable management compartment for a cleaner and tidier build. Dual chassis' main system is designed for custom high-end PC builds that can handle the most intensive gaming rig or video editing station. It allows users to build a separate compact PC system utilizing a small form factor SFX PCU for streaming tasks or other non-intensive workflows. Caged Heart. This is what it needed to top this list: a work of art, tech, and even biology. This is literally a beating heart inside a PC. This is yet to be completed, but it seems that it will. This build will be inverted. This allows the water block of the CPU to be nice and visible. It will have oak panels and acrylic windows to cover the sides. The cooling and electrical components for the heart are all hidden in the bottom with a PCU and cables. The tubing running through the heart will give the illusion the heart is pumping the coolant. For the spec sheet, it will have an Intel i9 with an 8GB Tracer Ballistics RAM. It will have a crucial 512GB SSD and Zotac 970 GTX graphics card. I hope the maker lets you pick the components, and then it'll be a one-of-a-kind PC build. So this was it for today, guys. Like and share the video and mention your favorite gadget in the comment section. All the product links have been mentioned in the description, so do check them out. I will soon be back with some more fabulous stuff from the internet for you. Till then, keep exploring.